Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be taking you behind the scene of casual but professional photo shoots in the studio, using 3 strobe lights to create soft and controlled portrait lighting. Whether you are a beginner looking to learn studio lighting or a pro brush up on setups, stick around, this one is for you. I'll be sharing tips to help you have a successful studio session using 3 lights.
Effortlessly calm, beautiful. This is it. I'm not feeling okay.
I'm not feeling what? If you are new here, I am Wish Pro. I share photography tips, gear review, and behind the scene content to help you level up your photography game. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So today I'm shooting with 3 strobe lights. Got those AD600 as my key lights, AD200 as my backlight, and Studio Strobe as my fill light. Let's talk about the gears we used. The camera I used is Canon EOS R5. Lens I used is 50mm 1.2 with Godox S1 Pro trigger. The backdrop is grey seamless paper background. The question some of you will ask is why 3 lights? With 3 strobes, you get full control of your lighting. One lights your subject, the second one defines the edge or rim light or backlight, while the other one fills the shadow or shape the mood.
Like, free. Should I come and show you how to do it? Let me show you. Come on.
Communication is very essential for a successful studio photo shoot, most especially when shooting someone that have not been to a photo studio before. So you have to communicate and give them poses. So in this case, she came with her friend and she's helping her. The key lights. I have got the softbox placed 45 degrees towards the client above her eye level, and it will be feathered. It will be feathered in the sense that the client won't be inside the direct light, he will be away, so it's the reflections of the light that will be touching her. That way it gives a soft dramatic lightning that wraps around the face beautifully. The backlight. We used AD200 inside the cone as the backlight. We placed the backlight 45 degrees towards the client above her eye level at her back. The light separates the object from the background and adds a cinematic edge highlight on the hair and her shoulders. The fill light. I used a big parabolic umbrella 150 cm positioned lower and tilted slightly towards the client. This removes the shadow just amount to maintain detail without flattering the images. One of the basic things I do while shooting is I take my few shots and check my light settings, my camera settings too. So I'm shooting ISO 100, aperture f2 to have a blurry background, and my speed is 1/200. So I shoot and then check the screen of my camera to preview and adjust my settings. So if you are shooting tethered, that you shoot and you see directly in your laptop, you have the resources to do that. That would be a better advantage too. So yeah, and I do add small oil like on the skin of the client or the model to make their skin glow. So you can use any oil. What I use in the studio is PS baby oil. These are just few tricks you can use to have a successful studio shoot. So I forgot to mention that we used big reflector to reflect the lights back, so we won't have so much dark shades on the client's right side. So yeah. Okay, thank you for watching to the end of this video. You can watch some of the JPEGs we achieved in the course of this shoot. So if you have any question or something you don't understand that's confusing you, feel free to ask your question in the comment section. Then if you want to know how we edited these images, how we fixed the background, the color grading, the screen retouching, you have a link below where we talked full detailed explanation of how to edit pictures in the description below. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more photography tips. Cheers.